representing Hamburg, Germany. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Marlon Miguel. I'm 14 years old. As a proud Filipino from Zamboanga City, I represent Belgium.
Good evening, Alpachari Udistan from Aklan, Philippines, represent place of Boers and Bian, Germany.
Ayun na nga guys po, habang ang mga candidates ay nagbihis at saka nag-prepare ulit para sa panibagong rampa. Tayo po ay nag-ikot-ikot muna dito sa kabilang side dahil mayroong mga paninda dito guys, mga Filipiniana, mga iba't ibang uri ng bag na gawang Pinoy. Ayan, ito yung barong na gustong-gusto ko talaga. Kaso pinag-ipunan ko pa. Tapos meron din silang dito, mga pearls. Daming iba't ibang uri ng pearls na galing talaga sa atin at saka hindi siya gaano kamahal guys. Ayan. So, pili na kayo, pili na. Ayan, mayroon din ako nakitang gown. Oh, di ba ang ganda? Oh, pack na pack. So, dito na naman tayo sa kabila. Yan, may mga perfume. Mayroon akong nakitang maliit na kaldero pala. Guys, naalala ko ba, nasa Siargao ako noon. Kasama yung mga kaibigan ko. Mayroon kami na nito ba, sa restaurant. Kumain kami. Tapos ito yung maliit na kaldero. Ito yung, yung binigay sa amin na may kanin sa loob. Ang cute, sobra. Yan, may mga bag din dito. So, pagdating naman dito sa kabila, si ate siya, may mga tinitinda siyang mga mga junk foods. Meron din mga iba't ibang uri ng pagkaing Pinoy. Ayan, may V-cut, may clover, cheesy. Yun, mayroon din siyang pilipit at saka cheese. piatos, ano pa ba to? Yung mga banana crackers. Yan, meron din siyang sukang tuba. Iba yung brand. Para siyang pinakurat. Meron din po siyang suman guys, yung suman niya may balanghoy at saka yung malagkit. Ayan, meron din siyang siopaw guys. Sobrang mainit pa yan. Kakasalang lang niya. Ayan. So, dito na naman tayo sa kabila. Wow! May halo-halo guys. Ayan, bili na kayo ng halo-halo. Tamang-tama, mainit yung panahon. So, ang halo-halo ni ate tag 7. At meron din siyang mga noodles guys. Ayan. So, yung halo-halo niya, mura siya ng konti compare sa iba guys. Ayan. So, lahat yan fresh from Philippines. Ayun. So, tiningnan natin. So, ang nabili ko kay ate guys ay isang soman na malagkit at saka soman na balanghoy at saka may nakita pa akong hopya. Kasi guys, paborito ko yung hopya. Bumili ako sa kanya at saka yung cheese na junk food. Yan, may inoffer sa akin si ate na yung pang ng biko, yung sugar na sa amin sa Davao, kinugay ang tawag noon. Ayan. Ang daming stocks.
Na mura ang tinda niya
As in?
sa gross handle.
in our history. Each ensemble you can see tonight is a masterpiece, crafted with intricate details and designs to reflect the pride and honor of their respective regions. So, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, the 8 lovely finalists on the regional traditional attire.
Vlogger, oh, mga vlogger.
amazing grace. Candidate number 2. Our second voter of time is candidate number 7, Marlene Miguel. Our third voter of time is candidate number 5, Lady Brooks. Our fourth top 5 finalist is candidate number 1, Lovely Marie. And last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, the candidate who got the last spot or top 5 is candidate number 8. To the rest of the ladies, candidate number 3, candidate number 4, candidate number 7. Thank you very much. May you please come here at the back of the stage? Candidate, please come back here on the stage. I'm looking at my back. Ladies and gentlemen, our top 5. So, the judge. Eric Marcos to come to the judge, but our judges will ask you that question. Okay? Let's start in Pamela Contestor. Candidate number 2. Please pick one.
Question and answer na.
Wait. What? Ah.
Oh my God. Hold on. Hold on, guys.
You pick judge number. Can I have also another mic for the judges? DJ? Another mic for the judges. You pick Judge Johanna. No, you stay there. And Marcos will come to you and then you'll pick Daniel. Sorry, Daniel.
Hi, Daniel. So, na-focus na to.
Your question, Judge Johanna, for our candidate number 2.
Candidate number 2, what charity work are you involved in, and do you think winning the Mrs. Euro Philippines Universe title will help you with it?
Can you repeat it again?
What charity work are you involved in, and do you think winning the Mrs. Euro Philippines Universe title will help you with your charity work?
Thank you for that question. Currently, I am involved in charity for education, especially in Philippines. I am sending free kids to the university, and I believe that with this platform, Mrs. Universe, I could expand it more, and through this platform, and I could extend it to the rest and encourage others to join me in this cause. Thank you.
Thank you.
Go, Ate Pamela!
And now for candidate number 7, Mario Miguel.
Guys, panalong-panalo po si Pamela ngayon. Siya po ang Miss Euro Universe. Ayan. So, anong masasabi mo?
Proud ako siyempre.
Ayan guys, salamat pala sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta sa atin. Ano?
Wala po tayo nanalo ngayon.
Ayan. So,
Wala po talaga tayo nanalo ngayon. Kami talaga yun. Kami yung mabunganga.
ikaw, anong masasabi mo? Ole, anong masasabi mo ngayon? Na nanalo yung manok natin.
Nagpasalamat ako kasi tinawag yung pangalan kanina para magbigay ng sash. Sabi ko, ha?
Oliver, Irene, masaya ka?
Oh, she deserve it. Sabi ng mga judges, every time na maglakat si Pam, gustong-gusto nila.
Siyempre! Ikaw, Mami Ros, anong masasabi mo?
Siyempre, proud ako kay Pamela. Hakot Award.
Ayan guys, maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta sa amin at kay Pamela. Congrats! Hanggang susunod, ingat! Bye-bye! Kompleto na po talaga yung mga candidates natin. So, picture taking po ngayon bago mag-COE-an. Ayan. Ang gaganda. Oh, ayan. Congratulations, lalo na kay Pam. Guys, interviewin po natin si Pam ngayon kung ano yung niya ngayon plano after niyang manalo ng Miss Euro Philippines.
After manalo.
So, ano yung plano mo ngayon sa buhay? Charot. Ano yung ano mo ngayon? Tawag mo. Ano yung after nito? Next step na gagawin mo after nito na nanalo ka ngayon?
So we are going to represent Mrs. Euro Philippines from Germany, yung mga Filipino community dito in Europe. We're going to represent it in South Korea. So there will be a Mrs. Universe that will be happen in South Korea in October.
Wow! So, congratulations again, Pam.
Thank you. Maraming salamat sa mga manager, director, supporter, and friends and family coming from from US, from Cyprus, and different countries dito sa Germany. Maraming salamat.
Again, guys, si Pamela po yung nanalo ngayon.
At saka ito yung number 1 trainer ko.
Hello, everyone.
Kasi yung manok mo ngayon, marami yung
Isa sa mga nagturo sa akin.
No, honestly, I was so happy that she took the crown because it was like, the feeling is like, I prayed for it. I told God, Lord, if you haven't given it to me the last time, please give it to Pamela.
Grabe. Isa to sa mga yung namamalo. Saka siya, ito namamalo din.
Siyang pamalo.
Ito din, alika dito lang. Ito, pangalawang trainer. Namamalo ng stick. No. Seriously.
Yeah, we're good friends, and then so she needs help. Diba?
Seriously. I mean,
So we're
we
there.
practice
Anytime.
we practice with Ed and pictorial. Talagang tsuk,
Yeah, we're still,
balik. But that's how it is, you know. Kailangan nilang sabihin yung totoo.
yeah, exactly.
Tama
That's how you are
hindi.
going to learn. Diba? It's a process of learning.
See, that's why
continue pa yung learning kasi meron pa tayo
They really still need to polish a lot. She really still need to learn a lot, and the same way with me, I also have to learn a lot from her.
Diba beauty queen?
Ang ganda ng costume mo, no? Yung costume mo ba? Ang ganda.
Ano yun, ang designer nun, of course, galing yun sa Pilipinas. Ang designer, I'm so proud to say that the Filipino arts and, creativity, and especially showcasing their hometown, because that represents Kalinga province. And thank you very much sa gumawa nun, naglikha noon. At saka maraming salamat sa mga friends ko from Cyprus who supported and bring it over here. Ang bigat-bigat kaya nun, as in.
Pero ako ang basket ni Kuan dyan ni Ma. O, saan ang basket?
Yung din ang basket. Thank you.
Sis! Oy! Oh, hi!
Ayan guys, si Ma'am Dalia pala yung ano nila, yung ang tawag dito, siya ang organizer sa event na ito. Ayan, beauty pageant, si Ma'am Dalia. Ay, Pam, last question pala. Sige. Yung kaibigan pala ni Pam from... Oh, dapat dito din. Yung kaibigan ni Pam from Cyprus din, ayan. So,
Talagang hindi natulog sila doon, nanood sila sa live. Yes. And because of Marlea, kaya yung costume natin is nadala dito.
siya pala yung
Yes, siya yung manager, director.
Director, no. Salamat sa Pinoy Bayanihan na tumulong kay Pam at bumili ng ticket. Thank you, darling.
Ayun. Busy, no? Mag-picture tayo.
ay,
O, sige na. Ay, Pam, nasa Q&A.
Oo, dali, mag-picture tayo. Dito dali before.
Pam, my question is, what encouraged you to join this beauty pageant and your advocacy pala?
First, my advocacy, because it's very important for me. My advocacy is I'm helping a lot of children in Philippines in their education. That's one thing. That's one of the things that I am inspired to join the pageant, and that's one of my courage to join. And another thing is I would like to help all the Filipinos, not only in Germany, but there's a lot in other countries. Because since I'm in Europe, so I'm going to be focusing in Europe, helping those kababayan in need. And I did a lot of that in Cyprus, and I would like to continue that here in Germany and other parts. Yeah, and I'm so glad that everybody, all the support from my friends, those are the big encouragement for me, and give me the confidence and boost, to go for it. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat, Dong. Kahit ikaw ay pagod, nagpunta ka talaga. Kahit ikaw ay may 3 trabaho. Pagdating mo, ngarag ka, but thank you. At least, better late than never. No? Better late than...
Philanthropy and goodwill.
Ayan si ate, galing pa siya ng Cyprus guys. So, kaibigan din siya ni Pam. So, hi ate, batiin mo naman yung taga Cyprus.
Hello, yung mga taga-Cyprus. Yuhu! We made it! Salamat nga pala sa mga bumili ng ticket at sa mga kaibigan namin na sumuporta at nagpuyat. At sa mga Philcom sa Cyprus, maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo. Yeah, Pinoy Bayanihan. Woo! Yeah. Ayun. Pam, we love you, Pam.
Want to come to Cyprus?
Dili pa.
Okay. Patapos na po at kami po ay uuwi na talaga as in. So ngayon kami po ay magbabay na. Magbabay na ayan from USA. Fresh siya from USA.
From Japan.
Ayan.
Afghanistan.
So salamat Mamiros. Salamat guys. Ingat. Irene. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye na. See you, Dong.
Pam, ingat. Bye-bye, Pam. Alis na kami.
Yes, ingat kayo ha.
Oo, kayo din. Oo, sige.
Ayo.
Guys.
So ngayon,
Ay,